How to comment anonymously on Facebook. If you want to comment on Facebook without showing your name, this video will explain when and how anonymous commenting actually works. First, it's important to understand that Facebook does not allow anonymous comments everywhere. Anonymous commenting is only available in some Facebook groups, and only if the group admin has enabled the anonymous feature. Now, open the Facebook app and go to the group where you want to comment. Make sure this group supports anonymous posts. You'll usually see an option like Post Anonymously at the top. Tap Create Post and enable Anonymous Post. Write your post and publish it. Your name and profile will be hidden from other members, but the group admins can still see who you are.
अस्सलामु अलैकुम
Once your
दोस्तों।
anonymous post is
अगर आप
published, go to the comments section. When you comment under your own anonymous post, your comments will also appear anonymously. Important point: you cannot comment anonymously on normal Facebook posts, pages, profiles, or public posts. Anonymous comments only work inside anonymous group posts. If you don't see the anonymous option, it means the group does not allow anonymous posts, or Facebook has not enabled this feature for that group. There is no safe or official trick to comment anonymously outside groups, any app or website claiming this is fake and risky. And that's it. Now you know the real way to comment anonymously on Facebook. If this tutorial helped you, like the video and subscribe for more simple tech guides.